Hello, Paula Daniele from Crochet Hooks You here, and today's question is, what does the dash mean in crochet? So this is dash, 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 and a dash, also known as a hyphen. So when you see chain dash 1 or 2 or 3, what it means is that this chain 1, chain 2 or chain 3 has already been crocheted, and you'll usually see it in a pattern. If I bring this pattern over here, you'll usually see it at the end of the round or row, and it's asking you to do a slip stitch into the top of chain 2. So chain dash 2 means previously made 2 chains, which would have been at the start of this round. Now that applies to whether it was a chain 1, chain 2 or a chain 3. Now you'll also find a dash sometimes at the end of a round or row, and what it's saying is, I want you to have 24 stitches at the end of this round or row. So that's the answer to the question of what is a dash. And here it is again. That's usually what you'll see in patterns. It'll be either chain 1, chain dash 2, chain dash 3, or dash with the amount of stitches.